What's going on? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue, C-Notch, the Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. What's going on, people? I hope everybody's having a good day. I'm having a right day. I'm in the heart of nature right now, you know. I'll park in the hood. But listen, that's not what this video is about. This video is to tell you, first know that this video is from God through my mouth to your ears. Listen up. They hate to see you level up after they reject you. Let me repeat myself. They hate to see you level up after they reject you. Why you say that, C-Nash? I'll tell you why I say that right now. Chosen ones. Empaths, you have to understand. You have to understand. Feel me? You have to overstand what is going on right now in these times with chosen ones, the less than smart ones, empaths, and narcissists. You have to understand what's going on. Feel me? There's basically a war going on, and you know the chosen ones, we're gonna win regardless. Empaths, we're gonna win regardless because love conquers all, baby. And these people from the past, maybe currently, all they are here for is to reject you, shun you, make you upset, get you out of character. Did I say reject you? Yes, I did, because that's what they are mainly here for. Chosen ones, that's what they are mainly here for. To let you down. For what? So you could pick yourself back up like the phoenix and rise. You get what I'm saying? And then shine on their ass, because that's the only thing left to do. After they let you down, after they put you down, after they let you on the ground and you had to pick yourself, you were in the ground on the fetal position crying nightly. Oh, I've been there myself. That's why this is my testimony today. That's why this is my testimony in over 500 videos, chosen ones. Go look at the catalog. There's over 500 high-level consciousness conversations for you there. Feel me? All you gotta go do is take the time and look. But like I was saying, these people are just here just to break your heart. I'm sorry to tell you, chosen ones, empaths. They are here to break your heart and hope you die and then stick a needle in your eye. That's what they are here to do. Feel me? And it's your duty as a chosen one, a child of God, It is your duty to man up, to woman up, and build yourself up from the ground. Rise up like that phoenix, like I said, and then you show out on their ass. You show out on their ass. You get in that gym, feel me? You get in that studio, feel me? You get behind the camera, you write your poetry, you do whatever you gotta do. If you got a job, you forklift whatever you gotta forklift. But I'm dead serious, chosen ones. It's your time. 2024 is not time to play anymore. All the fun and games are over. All the Xbox Ones, PS5s, and whatever is finished. The games is over. It's time to get on your grind and do what you gotta do, because you've been through the trials and tribulations daily, nightly, over and over and over, with the cyclical natures of going through the cycles of the pits of hell. I've been there. So now it's time. If you're even watching to the point of this video, I know you're fed up with it. Hit me in the comment section. Hit the like button. Let me know you feel the same way. You feel the passion of my testimony because you go through it yourself. Feel me? But guess what? When they threw me on the street, when they threw me on the curb like a piece of trash, I was the only piece of trash to pick myself up and dust myself off, and I said, no, I'm not a piece of trash. I'm gonna do what I gotta do to show up and show out, and then rise and grind on their ass, and then shine on their ass. And that's what you gotta do too. Shine on their ass when the time is right, because they are gonna regret that they ever rejected the chosen one. You think that they're just gonna get away with breaking your heart? You think that they're just gonna get away with doing the chosen one wrong? Oh my God, son of God, daughter of God, of creation itself? Huh? Star seed of the universe? Huh? You think that God is gonna let that just go down? Huh? Hell no. Hell no. They did you wrong. You better tell them they lucky God don't kill their ass. Huh? I'm dead serious, chosen ones. I'm dead serious, empaths, because I've been through it. Those people are so lucky to even still be alive if they did the chosen one wrong. Feel me? But you were the witness for God to see what the hell they put you through. I gotta censor myself because I'm so passionate about this. I'm not yelling, I'm just passionate and fired up about this situation that I see my chosen ones and my empaths going through. That's why I have to make sure that I make these videos every single day to make sure that the people in my soul tribe don't have to go through it anymore. Listen, if they rejected you, oh my God, they are gonna regret. Because chosen ones, we are the most creative, ambitious people known to man on this side of earth in this plane of existence. Huh? On this astral plane of existence, we are the most compassionate, emotional, caring people on this side of earth. And they took it for granted. And guess what? God said that, oh, that's no more. You get away from them, cut them off, and then watch what I do. And watch the blessings come through. Huh? He has blessings that are for your eyes only. And not for those damn Decepticons, damn deceptioneers to see. All they do is practice the art of deception. All they do is practice the art of deception, and you got to get away from them. You got to get away from them. I don't care if they're friends, family members, co-workers, the dog down the street, your pet, I don't give a damn. If they don't value you, they devalue you, it's time for you to hit the eject button. Like they in the passenger seat, you know, those little top secret cars, they got the little red button, you just push the button and kick the passenger out ASAP, feel me? Nah. Some of y'all riding with your little evil twin buddy, day in, day out. This dude is really the enemy, huh? Your frenemy, they really your enemy. Believe it. Open your eyes. Oh my God. Chosen one, this message is from God through my mouth to your ears. If they rejected you, that means God protected you. You get what I'm saying? If they rejected you, that means God protected you from something. Who knows? Bullets? Who knows? Who knows in this day and time what he really protected you from? So you should be real thankful. Feel me? Listen, I was doing some recycling the other day, right? And I seen this mother and her child. And the child was eating a piece of bread, and he's in a carriage, okay? The kid is in the carriage, and he's eating a piece of bread. And the mother is doing the bottles in the recycling center. So the kid drops the piece of bread, feel me? And it falls on the dirty ass ground. And the kid says, "Mommy, pick it up. I want it, pick it up." The mom says, "You can't have it right now. You can't have that, feel me? Because it's dirty, it's on the ground. You can't have that, feel me?" So the kid is all crying, acting all out of character, you know what I'm saying? Because he couldn't get what he want. He couldn't get what he want, feel me? When he can't have it because it's a dirty piece of bread. But the mother knew, feel me? Chosen ones, that's what I'm telling you right now. If they are rejecting you, it's the same thing. You don't want that dirty ass piece of bread on the bottle room floor, huh? You don't want that little Tatiana that's been shaking it all on yachts all summer and then now she's trying to come back to you? No, huh? You don't want that little bitchatron coming back to you now? No, huh? Females, you don't want that niggatron that's all dirty in the streets. He with every bomb shika up and down, left and right, huh? You don't want that dude around you with his dirty demon dick ass, you know what I'm saying? You don't want that. Feel me? You gotta keep your energy pure and you gotta keep it away from these damn Decepticons. I'm telling you, chosen ones. If they rejected you, that means God protected you. So be thankful. Feel me? What if that mother gave the piece of bread that was all on the ground with the bottle, you know what I'm saying? The floor. What if she just gave it to the kid for him to eat it and just, or whatever? That's the same thing. God is protecting you. What if you just say, okay, go ahead. Go ahead and get back with him. Let him just back in your life to just run rampant in everything you're trying to work on in your life. Let him back. It's all protection, baby. Soul protection. Just like this video was soul protection. Feel me? Hey, listen. I've been rambling for 10 minutes. I'm gonna meet y'all in the next video. Who knows what it will be? It's your boy. I hope somebody's watching the outro too. If you're still here watching it right now, hit me in the comment section with a what's up, my boy. But listen, this is the outro. I like this part. It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. C Nasty, Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. One love.